What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Owl, and welcome back to a spooky old episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Today, I'm going to show you how to make some mummy dogs, the Mummy, and I'm not talking about Brendan Fraser either, even though I did love him in Airheads, it's one of my favorite movies. I'm talking about that mummy dog because it's Halloweeny. It's time for the Halloween. We're going to make some Halloweenies. We got to dress these weenies up because it's time to go out trick-or-treating. And you remember when you used to go out trick-or-treating and there was always that one person that would give you like an apple or an orange or something like that, man. I don't want no orange. I want a Reese's Piece. So we got to get them ready to trick-or-treat so they can get out there and get something good. First thing you got to do, you're going to make a mummy dog. Got to get that dog. And today, just some regular little hot dogs. Didn't get anything fancy schmancy. No bratwurst, I suppose you could, but for me, that old cheapo is the way to go. So, speaking of cheapo, have you seen the prices of this candy they got at the store? I was going to get some candy for the little trick-or-treaters when they came by in their costumes. And I was looking at the bags, man, I thought I was going to have to mortgage my car to get some of that stuff. It's just unreal how much things cost nowadays. But this, a sweet treat that's good on the old wallet back here. So, let's go ahead and get our weenies, and you got to wrap your weenie up on Halloween. That's just the way it is. So we're gonna get our wrap, and our wrap today is some crescent roll dough. It's a good thing to work with because it works good for this application. You just roll it out. I got one can had 8, and it goes a long way. You stretch it out like that, and you get your pizza cutter, sir. Like you're gonna go out there slashing, kind of like old Hellraiser or somebody, and then you get your pizza cutter. You cut into little strips there, sir. And before the night's over. so let's go ahead and get that cutter, cut that stuff, and we're going to start wrapping our dog there, sir. So wrap it up, and you want to leave a little space at the top where you can put their eyes. And I'm going to show you about them eyes later on. There might be some spooky eyes looking at you like Casper looking out the window. So let's go ahead and get that going and leave some gaps in there. That's the good thing about this. You're saying, like, I'm doing mine kind of messy, it's kind of a mess. Well, you want it to be kind of a mess because then it looks like that old mummy. And you're thinking to yourself like, I'm using this crescent roll dough. You had some time, could you have made some fresh dough to wrap the dogs in? Well, I could have, but you know me, buddy. I got time with it too. I got some time to get this done. So, let's go ahead and get the wrapped. Now, we're going to go ahead and get that oven and get it hot. Not too hot because we don't want it cooking down there like Freddy Krueger's. But we want to put it on 350. And put them dogs down in that thing, baby. Yeah, we can get that done. We can go watch some old Halloween commercials from back in the day, feel all nostalgic about it. And by the time about 10 minutes, 15 minutes or so has passed, these dogs ought to be ready to go out with their hands full of candies and ready to trick-or-treat and looking good because we're ready for a sight, a big old Halloweeny bite of these mummy dogs tonight. And you're saying to yourself like, what about them eyes? Well, we got to see, don't we? So before we go out for our bite, before we go out for our sight, better get it right tonight. Let's do the eyes. But I forgot about it in my excitement about the dog. Take your mustard. I want you to put a little dot on each eye. Now, I was going to do ketchup, but I thought, man, it's going to make a hell of a mess. Mustard kind of made a hell of a mess. You got to be precise with you, nice with you. But who cares? You're going to eat it anyway. So I'm going to eat it anyway. I already said the nice and the sight meal. Let's get out of here because I want that dog and I want it now. It's Halloween. Ooh, I gotta go before the werewolf comes in and tries to take it from me, and I might have to fight him over it. So, gotta go. Now. Alright, buddy, the time has come. The hot dog, mummy style with the croissant wrap on top of that spooky looky is done. And I'm about to have that first bite for me. Golden brown, going to town. Oh, I know it's going to be so good, so. So good. It's scary. Ow! That's a good damn dog, buddy. That wrap on there. That's just some old school stuff. And that's why I want my Halloween old school. Done rightly, nightly. That's a good fall, autumn, Halloween treat. Good something to eat. So, put that down and let me finish the show. I want to thank you for stopping by on another spooky Halloween episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Make sure to like, subscribe, follow me on social media. And also watch all my other cooking videos on my YouTube channel. But I want you to stay tuned because we got a little spooky presentation for you afterwards. So, happy Halloweeny. Enjoy it, buddy. I'm about to have all of them. All of them going down the row. I'm creeping down like I'm going to house, knocking on the door saying, trick or treat, give me some to eat. Hello. Oh man, that was a good dog. Now I gotta get my keys. I gotta get it. Hey, if you see my keys, I gotta get out of here and get some fish. I could have swore I had them damn keys. What do I do with them? Applesauce. Ain't my keys. I need my keys. There's my keys. Thank you, buddy. Hey, wait a minute. How in the hell did you get my keys? What are you doing with my keys? I'm about to go get some brew. I need some brew. You mean you got that for me? You got that brew for me? Oh, I'm so touched. I'm so touched. Buddy, I'm never gonna forget this. Where is my wallet?